Hello, Year 6, and welcome to Thursday's lesson, okay, for the 11th of February. Now, we're going to start off today by watching the White Rose video. Okay, so watch that first, please. But remember, we don't do the worksheets. All right. Now, after you've watched that video, it should be really clear to you what these words mean. What is a regular polygon and what is an irregular polygon? Now, if you're still unsure, and you might just want to do this anyway, have a look at this BBC Bite-sized link. Okay, on there, there's lots of information about polygons. There's a few games, a few videos, and it's really, really cool to just help you revise and learn that what they are. Okay, and don't forget, BBC Bite-size is a fantastic resource, and it will help you to revise any areas of maths that you need to look at. Okay? Now, once you've watched the video and you've been on BBC Bite-size, we'd like you to explain or to use your knowledge of splitting up your polygons. Now, remember, this is an irregular one. How do I know that's irregular? Well, the angles and the sides are not equal. Okay. When you're splitting your shape up, take it from one point to the next, go back to the same point, one point to the next. And that will mean that you don't create interior angles. And what I mean by that is that all these triangles that have been created have at least one exterior angle, exterior side, sorry. So that's the exterior side here. This one's got two exterior sides and this one's got two exterior sides there. All right. So number of sides is 5, number of triangles is 3, 3 times 180, and the total, the sum of the interior angles on this pentagon is 540 degrees. Okay. Now, we'd like you to do the same for this shape here. I'm not going to tell you the name of the shape. You should know those. If you don't, you'll have to research it. But what I'd like you to also do is write the name of the shape in the middle of the shape too. Fill in the boxes, and then the same here. Okay. Moving on. Okay, we'd like you to copy and complete this table because there's something really important that you should start to see. Okay, and that's why it says, do you spot any patterns? Okay, we'd like you to fill in those for the hexagon, the heptagon, and the pentagon, just like you can see the example for the quadrilateral. It links to what you've just done. And then we'd like to choose your own shape here. Okay, using that table, you should then be able to predict the angle total, the total angles of other polygons using that table. Have a look once you've completed it. Now, moving on, we've got Dora, Tommy, and Alex, and they're giving you clues, okay? And you need to read those, and then it says, what is the sum of the interior angles of each shape, okay? So for example, my polygon is made up of 5 triangles. Now I know that one triangle is 180 degrees inside. So 5 triangles, well, that's going to be 5 times 180, which equals, I'm sure you got it right. Now, Danny. Danny is working out the sum of the interior angles of a polygon. Here are her workings. Now I'm looking at this and I'm thinking, Danny, there's a lot of triangles here for a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8-sided shape. I want you to have a look at what Danny's done. I can't see any exterior sides on that triangle, or that one, or that one, or that one. Have a look and then see if you agree with Danny or not, that the total angles are 1,800, and explain your answer. If you can, work out what the interior angles of this shape should be. Okay. So, the last thing that you're going to do today is our challenge. And in the challenge, it says each compound shape. So a compound shape means that there's more than one shape in this shape that's been put together. So for example, we've got this 6-sided shape here, this hexagon, and then you've got this square and they're attached. That each compound shape is made up of regular polygons. All sides and angles are the same in each shape. Work out the angle Y in each case. So you're going to have to work out on this one, I'm going to do the blue one as an example. I know that all the angles in a square are right angles. So that means that this one here must be 90 degrees. Then I know how to work out the interior angles of a hexagon. I'm going to split it into triangles. Watch. 1, 2, 3, and then my fourth triangle. So there's 4 triangles in a 6-sided shape. 4 times 180 will give me my total interior angles. Divide that by how many angles there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my total angles divided by 6 will give me this one here. So I've got 90, add the interior angle of a hexagon, and then that will give me y when I subtract from angles on a point, which I know is 360. Okay, so have a go. These are really challenging. There is the answer sheets available for you to have a look at if you want them, but just have a go. All right. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day's learning, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye for now.